Okay, this is the Mark 1 of it, as I've been calling it. You can see now I've added the acrylic sheet across the front to cover up that awful hole I made. And one thing I'd thought about was while this is against the window on the inside, I didn't know if you'd actually hear the relay saying the door was open. So I added two little LEDs pointing at the glass, red and the green. And let me show you operating, because I had no idea that these LEDs were quite so bright. But excuse me while I just plug it in. It's a bit difficult to do when you've only got one hand. There we go, it's powering up. And it's ready to scan. Try and focus that. Now on the back side, you'll see this immensely bright, especially if I point it at the camera. Very, very bright LED. And I've timed it with the backlight timeout. Now if I press the open door button, I'll try to do it while it's sliding across my desk. There we go, door open, and I didn't turn it quick enough, so I'll stay here. Okay, door open. Another bright green one, which stays on just as long as the relay, which is currently about 3 seconds. I can make it longer if necessary, it just depends how quick you are to push the door open. But there we go. And then the red light will time out as soon as the backlight times out. So here you can see it's actually shining on the bottom of my monitor in the background. But as soon as the screen times out, the red light will go out. And there we are. So that's it as far as I'm concerned. I may have to tweak that door open timer. Now it's time to get out the big hammer drill and go through a big breeze block wall to get power into the hall. I'm not looking forward to that bit, but can't really do anything else without it. So that's it so far.